Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. So if you're open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you because I don't know what's coming next. When I say live, I mean that I'm recording myself as I see information for the very first time compared to doing something in hindsight like a trade recap or a post commentary. None of that here. Like I said, I literally don't know what's coming next. So I will go ahead and pause for now and I'll be back at the open. Oh, and I should quickly note, I did take one pre-market trade, but it was a mistake. Meant to do 500 shares, but somehow that got changed back to 100. So I just hopped out. I got a 20-cent move, which equated to $20. But at that point, I just figured, you know what? That was a mistake from the get-go. So it would have been actually a very nice opening trade there. But so I am starting up technically $20. So that's where that's coming from. But I'm not going to be making any more trades until I guess I shouldn't say that because you never know. Maybe something amazing pops up here in the next few minutes before the market opens. But as of now, no plans to do any more pre-market trading. All right, looking to pick up some puts here at 10.50. I'm going to cancel that one out. My screen changed because I'm now looking at options. And I canceled it out because looking at the 5-minute, which is off screen, has me wanting to wait just a bit longer. See if I can get a bit more confirmation. Because the main markets have quite the bounce right now. Coin still looking pretty interesting. Hard to see because of that big gap down, but right there at call it 53.50. All right, I will go ahead and pause, but yeah, right now, I mean, the market hasn't even been open 3 minutes, so no need to rush anything, but I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 172.75 on NVIDIA here. Trying to play a potential back test of this move down. And I realize 172.75 may seem kind of far away, but it is NVIDIA, and NVIDIA can move quite quickly. But maybe this thing doesn't bounce at all, and it just, well, there's new lows right there. Wow, so not much of a bounce at all. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cancel that one out for now. And I'll keep looking around. All right, watching 55 here as a potential area to get short. Wow, Tesla just still going straight down. NVIDIA still just going straight down. All right, I will keep a close eye on coin. And like I said, 55 is the level that has my eye. Maybe even 55.25, because 55.50 is very clearly a very stubborn level here. Look at that. Wow. Okay, yeah, 55.25 is going to be the level that I'm watching now. Then, of course, Tesla starts to maybe behave nicely. But all right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 12.50 here. Okay, got those. So let's see what this wants to do here. So out there for a 275 score. Honestly, thought I'd be getting out more than that because the offer was showing way more, but clearly I lost track of the spread because I did not get out anywhere close to what I was thinking. I thought I was getting out at least bare minimum 13.25. So that is actually somewhat of a disappointing trade there. But nobody's fault but my own. Like I said, I lost track of the spread apparently. But yeah, if this thing wants to come up some more, I'd be interested again at 792. Which, who knows? Maybe that's not as far off as it seems. But okay, I'll still take the $275. But like I said, in the spirit of being just brutally honest, I was definitely expecting more, and like I said, lost track of the spreads. And I don't mean for the awkward silences, but remember, this is live, so I'm trying to talk to you while I analyze and think through things, and I'm looking at also. Yeah, so I'll keep an eye on Tesla. Coin is also still looking very, very interesting. Oh yeah, 57. I got to get that alerted. That's coin 57.35. Flush point 1 minute. Oh, but Tesla's going up still, and I like Tesla options more because I'm more familiar with Tesla options, so that's why if I'm going to choose one, it's going to be like I said, Tesla options. Oh, it's getting right up where I want it to be. 950. There we go. Is that what I wanted? Yeah, 950K. See if it wants to come up a bit more. Right at this point. I'm going to go to 875. Okay, this makes me feel better because coin is actually doing the exact opposite. So looking for basically fake break of this moving average here. But it might just get rejected. I should maybe potentially just be getting in right now. But like I said, I'd feel better if I can get some sort of fake break here. But in hindsight, yeah. Seems totally obvious now, right? But that's how hindsight trading goes. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, have an order at 8 for some puts. Needs to come up just a bit more. Bit more. Oh, come on, I was on best bid. There we go, in. We'll look to pick some more up at 7. Got those at 7. Let's try to pick some up at 650 if possible. Have an order at 775. I think I might have been on best offer and I didn't quite get filled. There we go. Got those out. And got those out. What I was up 275. I'm now up 595. So I don't know how much. Three something on it. But now up 615. And the key to that was I gave myself wiggle room, gave myself flexibility. And it seems backwards for me to say I got a great first entry point, but I did, which allowed me to build and keep my position just fine. And I realized in hindsight, I could have been making even more here, but I wasn't going to turn down that amount. But when you are position building, not averaging, there's a big difference. I know in the comment section somebody's going to say something which just reveals the fact that, and it's okay to be new. Like, don't get me wrong, we all start off as new, but geez, why are you averaging? Yes, averaging exists, but there's also something, called position building, where you don't go all in at once. And because that first entry point, it allowed me plenty of flexibility. And sorry, maybe I'm this awkward in real life, but I promise I'm not. Well, I don't think I'm this awkward. But again, I'm trying to scan the markets, look around as I still talk to you. I'll look at you. Huh. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. I might be done, but I'm not quite sure. All right, I am indeed going to be done for the day. And with my be done in 30 approach, it's 9:55, so I'm moving on with my day. Real quick, the be done in 30 approach is just kind of a general philosophy where I'm looking to be done on average after 30 minutes every morning with trading, just because I don't do this for a Lamborghini or a private jet. Now, if those are your goals, if that's why you want to trade, then cool, go for it. For me, just want the freedom of time. To me, that's the ultimate wealth at this stage in my life. And if I can put, let's call it 600 with commission after commissions, if I can put 600 in my pocket after less than 30 minutes, I'm not a greedy savage. I am more than happy with that. So I am moving on with my day. A little under average today. Now, some days, of course, I'll go above 30 minutes. But like I said, it's just a general philosophy that doesn't, make me sit here and be like, okay, I got to stay here for all 24 hours a day because I need. No. I'm doing this so that I don't have to do this in the sense of a freedom of time. And for me, $600 less than 30 minutes. Definitely worth the time. So if you enjoy these live trade videos, if you'd like for me to continue to make these, then as you saw here, they're not easy to make. There's those awkward pauses because I'm truly recording myself, trying to talk to you, trying to analyze the markets, trying to make alerts. So they are very difficult, and why I don't make them every day. And I don't say that for you to feel sorry for me. I just say it because I truly do seek your feedback, and it helps me out on whether or not I should continue to do these videos. Because if you're not finding them helpful or interesting or entertaining, then that's fine. I just won't, invest in time into doing it because it's not exactly easy. But if you do enjoy these, if you would like for me to continue with this series, then do two things. Hit the like button and leave a simple comment. Say hi. Tell me what you traded today. Tell me what you're watching tomorrow. Give me a smiley face emoji, but hitting the like button and leaving a simple comment not only communicate to me that you enjoy, but also just help out the channel as a whole. So, doing those two things truly does go a long way. So thanks for hanging out. Hopefully everybody has a good one. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.